we hit about 10 to 15 inches last night, maybe 25 centimeters. And the worst thing is with the tin roof. Now she didn't melt off that one, but it will. This is a 3-stage snow blower. This brings it in, those screws bring it to the middle, and the inner one throws it out the chute. Here's the drawback of the steel roof. I have to keep this open for the front door, and it's packed pretty good, so I got to knock it down with a shovel first and then go back and forth till I get it all out. So there was quite a bit on the steps. I got both cars cleaned off. I'll be taking the Jeep in town. I'm running out of cat food. Connor won't allow that to happen. And I got to do the deck yet, but I got to get the little blower for that. And I got the mailbox all done for the lady when she comes with the mail. So the old shed here is pretty much done. Everything you see here is going to go with the building. There's nothing to keep, like those old shelves are no good. So that's the old cat house that we had. And so anyway, everything's going to be knocked down with the old shed. And I got windows in there I'm going to throw in here too out of the tin shed. But all that stuff up there is no good, so I'll let it all go with when Buddy comes to take it away. That won't be till the snow goes. Because I keep the snow blower in here for now because I need the power to start it. Well, I can hand start it too, but I like using electric start. So I put the Jeep into 4-wheel drive to go in town. Anyway, people, no raccoons, of course. I still got to do a little bit out the end of the driveway there. So, we'll get this loaded up and we'll talk later. Bye-bye.